I just bought this house and I have a huge leak problem. My inspector put me on to Mike McGilvary Roofing, and within a matter of days, he was out here correcting the issue. What I learned by talking to Mike about my roof is that there's certain areas that receive more water than others. I don't really know all the details. Let me get Mike to tell you.
So our team completed a comprehensive inspection on this roof system. What we identified was the 2 high water flow areas of this roof where more water goes by design. These 2 areas were showing signs of premature failure. So our team completely rebuilt these 2 areas, bringing the roof as a whole to a structurally sound state. We made the rest of the maintenance repairs across the rest of the roof, bringing the roof as a whole to a structurally sound state where we can provide a 5-year roof certification and keep this homeowner and his roof in insurance compliance. So what made you choose Mike McGilvary Roofing?
So my inspector was the one who put me on to you, and obviously he must have a great relationship and probably referred you a lot of business. In Florida, we got tons of roof issues always. Me as a realtor, I'm always constantly having to help people find good roofers as well. So I was happy that my inspector put me on to you.
Awesome. And what was different with our company?
Timeliness, in that you were the one that actually answered the phone. You seemed very knowledgeable, and then to find out that you were actually the owner of the company, that all meant a lot to me. So timeliness of you answering the call and actually getting a crew out here to get the work done.
Awesome. Well, we're glad you chose us, and you have my personal guarantee that we will provide free annual inspections and help you keep a close eye on the roof to get the maximum life out of it.
Cool deal.